Install it today. This is everything that it comes with. Cables, everything like that. Plug and play too, so we can get into it. We're gonna go from there. I gotta wash this thing too. That's that. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pull the silver part off right here and the silver part in the back. We put that right there because I just finished driving the car, so there's gonna be a little fuel in the lines, but this is just to catch everything that we can. Then after we do that, we're gonna plug and play the new one. And after we do that, I'll show you where we're gonna grind it at, following it along the weather strip, bringing it over here to this side right here, and then after we finish on this side, we're gonna go down off in there. But I'll pick up when I get to that part. All right, so what I just did was, or what we just did, this black piece right here, it comes across, it connects here on this one, and it does the same thing on the back side. Right there, it does the same thing. So you just pull this back like this, when you'll feel it, it's like you feel it and then it just slide off. Mindful tip, if you've been driving, fuel will squirt out of here, but if it squirt out on this side, you good on that side, or if it squirt on that side, you good on this side. But that's just a heads up. Now we're gonna move into the next part and go from there. Okay, so with the kit being connected, this is how it's gonna look. You're gonna have this 90-degree coming down into the sensor right here. And then after that, you're gonna have this bottom portion plugged into this one. The top portion is gonna connect into the OEM clip. And this side back here is gonna connect into the other OEM clip. And this is here just gonna hang a little bit. But after we get it all connected and everything, I'll show you the next step after that. So now that we got it on, as you can see, the 90 went in here. We got it dangling right here. It goes on back into the other portion. Now we're just gonna put this stuff back, and we're gonna keep on going on around to the other side. But this is how this is looking so far, just to give you that update. So next, you're gonna have this clip right here. It's gonna come. You're gonna clip it in, and this swivels. So if you want, you push this to the back right here, and you can clip it in here. And what we did then, we just ran it inside the weather stripping right here. I'm gonna zip tie this portion up. And after I did that, I just kept going on around. Just kept going on around, putting it into the weather stripping like this here. And it's gonna come on around like that. And we're gonna go on off in here. So after we did that, this is how it looked. My phone died, so I didn't have all the footage and everything, but we just went through here. We took all that off, and as you can see, we got the other wires and everything that's in here. We had to plug them up and take some stuff out. I don't have the footage because the phone died, but what I'll do is I'll drop the link to the description so y'all can follow it yourselves when y'all want to do it. Also, this box right here, when you cut the car on, it's not gonna light up, so don't think that you did it wrong. You're gonna have to crank the car up, and once you crank the car up, then the lights will come on. That's what we just realized. But for the most part, that's it. We're gonna put that back on, put the trim back on down there, put the trim back on the door, and that's gonna be it. That's that.